What's the big difference between a successful vegetable garden and a failing one? I spent years growing a weak harvest, and even though I followed the instruction on the pack, it didn't seem to make any difference. I spent more and more money on expensive tools and hacks to help change my fortune, but my veg growth still sucked. It got to the point that I was convinced that my soil was completely dead, until I stumbled across some gardening hacks that helped change everything. Turns out there is a ton of secrets to growing veg that pros swear by. They use different tools than what you would expect, have innovative and cheap ways of dealing with pests, and they even have a planting calendar they stick to year in and year out for the perfect planting schedule. And the crazy thing, after discovering this, I realized I've been overcomplicating things so much. Growing veg just doesn't have to take so much of your time at all. Even 20 minutes a day can feed you for an entire year. Oh my god. So you might be asking, what's the secret to solving all these problems? I'm gonna share the secrets with you. So on the 25th of February, I'll be holding a workshop that will show you the best planting techniques for the fastest growth, how to plant your seeds so they look after themselves. We will dive into lighting fast gardening hacks that turns hours of toil into minutes of wonder. And we will cultivate your green thumb to consistently achieve a bountiful harvest. Plus the game-changing guide on 50 plants for a successful harvest every single time. This is a decade of gardening experiences condensed in a workshop. I am so excited to share this with you. Click the link below to learn more and book your space. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.